yeah, nothing over the top until you make it over the top, right?
How you like that? You gonna like that?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Design Aesthetics by Charlotte
Alright
Rose.
guys, so we got a box. And we have two X-Acto knife. I picked this one up at Walmart. I don't know if this is plastic, but it don't seem, it looks like plastic guys, but it actually works. I got it in the packaging department. Anywho, I put an order in to HTV Rant because I wanted to kinda branch out to sublimation. I've never done it before, neither on a t-shirt, a tumbler, or nothing like that. I've just mainly stuck to HTV vinyl. And so I'm looking around and I'm like, this sublimation thing, it seems like it's the rage. So let me try see how I could master some of what's going on in order to make some moolah. Because right now I'm in between jobs. Like, I barely have any hours at work. So I gotta find a way to make a living. So this came in the box. These are some tumblers and I got the 8-pack on sale. I'll try to see if I can link it down below, guys. I'm so bad at doing those stuff. So bad. Like, I don't know how. It frustrates me and I don't know. And then these are the sublimation paper. This also was on sale, and like I said, I'm gonna try to see if I can link them down below. I'll try. And I think this is a free piece of HTV vinyl. Like when you buy something you get a gift. This is just one sheet of vinyl. They had two choices, this red and white and another like a space looking comet kind of look. I took this one because it kind, you know, Christmas is coming up and stuff like that, so I took the red and white. Besides, I already had the comet one. So let's get rid of that box. And I mean, y'all ain't new to sublimation paper, but if you are, sublimation paper. So it's 200 sheets, 8.5 by 11, because that's the printer I have. And I'm also getting to understand that you need a printer. I didn't think about that part before I did all of this. So now I'm gonna have to think about buying a printer, tumbler press. Right now, HTV Rand have a pre-sale going on a new tumbler, I guess, that's coming out. They have a bundle for $209, and then they have just the heat press itself for $169. So this is the paper. It says HTV Rant, like, duh, right? That's the paper, a whole 200. It comes with instructions on how to use it, the temps and stuff like that. You already know. You gotta read the instruction, guys, because every company, paper, sublimation paper, HTV, vinyl, whatever, they come with their own instructions as far as each, the degree that you use on it, right? So that's the paper. Then we have the tumblers, and 8 in a pack. They also had one with 4, but it was like $31. $31 for 4, $42 for 8. Like, I might as well get the one for $42 where you get 8, right? Makes sense to me. So as you open the box, the straws are in here. The straws are in here, and each pack has they call this, I don't remember what they call it, but it cleans the straw like a pipe cleaner. It cleans your straw. The straw is metal, so each time you use it, if you're drinking coffee, tea, blah, 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 you clean your straw, okay? Worst you can see in here, you want to shove this in, up, down, soap, hot water, all of that. Do not leave your straws sitting after you use it, okay? Because especially coffee with the milk and stuff in it will kind of settle in here. So the reason why I actually purchased this, guys, I was watching a YouTuber, right? I was watching a YouTuber, and she used this. So this is direction, basically telling you how to use it and things like that. So the purpose I bought this, my cousin's birthday is coming up. We're gonna go out on a night on the town, and I was thinking to make her one of those fancy smanchy cups. So the tumblers comes with like the rubber you would put on the bottom, that way the bottle is not all over the place. If you put the rubber, you could see it's not going nowhere, right? It has self-adhesive on there, so you would just put it on like that, and yeah, nothing over the top until you make it over the top, right? So yeah, this is my quick unboxing. First timer getting some tumblers. And just stay tuned, guys, to see what I'm gonna do with it. I have to go make an order on Amazon now to get the chains and stuff that I'm gonna be using with this. I don't know how I'm gonna print the paper that comes with this. I might have to go to a website and buy a print. Hopefully it comes in time, because I don't have a sublimation printer, and the printer I have, it already been used with regular ink. So I've been doing some research, and it says if you're gonna use like an inkjet printer, it needs to be a brand new one, and then you could put the sublimation ink in, but you can't use one that's already been used. And that's what I have, a Epson inkjet printer that already been using regular ink. So now I'm in a little conundrum. I went ahead and I bought this and didn't even think about the sublimation portion of it. Oh, I'm gonna print the paper and all of that. So I'm now backed in a corner. But I'm gonna try to see, maybe I could use HTV vinyl, guys. Maybe. And if I can use HTV vinyl, if I could use the HTV, I might not need to go out and buy. I could just use it. I don't know, guys. So until I figure out what I'm doing, thanks for watching this very short unboxing of these tumblers. And I'm gonna go make an order now on Amazon. I'm gonna go check some printers. And like I said, the tumbler from HDV Rant, I don't know, I might make a pre-order. I don't know. It looks yummy. Let's see. If you want money, you have to spend money. Okay, honey? I might not have any money, but I want to make money. So to make it, I got to spend it to buy the material that I need. Ugh. See ya.
How you like that?